Alright, so I'm looking at the file and I named it something different, just potion rendering. But yeah, let me just see this first. Layouts. You know what? I'm gonna mesh Windows workspace reset general to factory default, just so that everything's on the same page. Alright, so do you see this here? Let's go to shading, back face culling. Okay, that helps. Alright, so I'm looking at it. I'm gonna select this, Control 1, so I only see this temporarily. I'm also gonna go to shading, use default material, because I understand there's a glass shader applied. So first thing I notice is this here. I think I talked about it in class. Okay, looks like you got probably most likely right click and vertex mode, most likely multiple vertices. Yeah, so I'm looking here, right? Right, see, 2. Yeah, remember oh, look at that, there's 5 in there. If I right click, go to edge mode. Right, see, 2 edges overlapping, 2 edges overlapping, 2 edges overlapping. So let's fix this. First thing I want to do is right click, vertex mode, and let me go in. I'm going to just select that, just these guys for now. Right, and okay. What I just did right now is just looked at the size of the model, right, in relation to the 3D grid, because the merging of the vertices that I mentioned previously, that could be done, right? It's also dependent on the size of the model. What I mean by is that this whole grid system right now is set to centimeters, meaning that actual real world measurements in centimeters. So I think one grid unit is what is it, 1 centimeter? I'll show it right now. I gotta go sidetrack for a moment. Here, I'm gonna go down here to this gearbox with the running man to pull up my preferences. Alright, the interface settings, right, says here centimeters. So I believe one grid unit is 1 centimeter. Anyway, I'm gonna select all of that. I have 140 vertices, right? I'm going to shift right click, merge vertices again. Let me go back. Hover over merge vertices, right? Merge vertices option box. And I have your, its default is set to point reset. 0.01, okay, that was this is the default. If I set to 0.001, so what that means is that it has to be super close for it to merge, right? Because 0.001 is even tighter than 0.01, right? So if I hit apply, I'm gonna look very carefully so it doesn't merge more than it should. Okay, it worked. It did not merge more than it should, because if you look here, now it's reduced dramatically down to 60 vertices. Press 3. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. Good. So that's the first thing to do. And you notice that I did not merge down here, right? Because I remember when I was looking at the file, I had actually selected all the vertices, and I did that merge, right? Merge vertices, and it had inadvertently started merging some of these. I'm curious. Let me try that out. First thing I want to do is have the mesh selected in object mode in green, right click object mode. I have all this stuff. This kind of makes me nervous because construction history can blow up a model. To delete the history, the hotkey is Alt, Shift, and D as in David. There, it's gone. Let's name this. This is the other thing I want you to do, is to name it potion bottle. Or there, it's called a health potion bottle. Health potion bottle. Alright, good. Because that's what you have here. Alright. Next. I'm gonna do a save. Okay, I saved it. Now I'm gonna try to do a. I'm just worried about if any of these. Some of these look. For now, I'm gonna turn off the back face culling. I'm gonna turn it off. I need to see the inside better. Okay. I'm gonna turn off the infinity wall. I'm just gonna turn it off, just in case if I go through it. Okay, I see this now. Three. Alright, looks like it's been merged. I'm gonna check how many edges. One, 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 one. Okay. Seems okay. Okay, next, go back to object mode. It's 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so everything else looks okay. Ooh, what is... Ooh. Yeah, something's... Yeah, I see something in here. Yeah, this looks... Oh boy. Okay, so I see something in there. Let me think of something to try to resolve this. Ooh, what is this? I'm gonna select all of this here, and same thing. Shift Alt D as in David to delete history. Right. This, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna press D as in David to, I'm gonna press delete. Okay, seems okay. Control 1 to get out of the isolated select. I'm gonna grab the lights, the area lights, and then I'm going to put in a display layer. So I select it, and then in here, okay, wait, I click on it. Now it's in it, because it has to be selected. So I'm gonna double click, underscore area lights underscore save, hide it. Cork, control 1, I want to take a look at it. Press 3, press 1, press 3. Looks like it's okay. Alright, so it looks okay. I'm gonna also delete history. Shift Alt D as in David. Okay. Good. Control 1 to get out of it. Alright. Select this, Control 1. These here, they should be touched up, not because I'm nitpicking, but because your next instructor will not want to see this. I need to turn this off first, the edge slide, right under modeling toolkit. But before I even do that, that inside is bothering me. Yeah, that's problematic. Yeah, see, right here. Darn it. Right, see, here we go. If I go, I just deleted that face, the floor, and I see the inside. Right. Yeah. Damn. Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. The right thing for me to do is this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna face mode. I'm going to turn on this right here, paint selection tool, right? But before I do that, right click, go to face mode, right click face mode, turn on paint selection tool. Right, now it's a huge brush, which is fine, and I'm gonna just select the outside, right, because it won't select the inside. I'm gonna select up to here, and then I'm gonna press W to get out of it, right? So again, previously it was the paint selection tool, and I had it in face mode and I selected all the outside, right? If you notice on the inside, nothing is selected on the inside. Yeah. Well, there's this face that I had deleted previously, but it's fine. So I'll describe what I'm doing, but let me just first select it. I need to select all of these, right? And this is after merging the double vertices, right? Then I'm also gonna yeah, right, I don't need this top area, right? So I only selected that outside only, right? And with that selected, in faces, right, I can press H as in Henry, which will hide these selected faces that I want to keep. Okay, as soon as I did that, you'll notice down here, right? If I click on this, alright, no, not that. If I click on this here, default hide face data set, this was just made right now, right? All these, this whole stack, these are the faces that I just hid, right? It looks like they're deleted, but they're not deleted. I just hid them. And this is a list of those hidden faces. Hence you could see here, high health bottle shape hidden faces set. It's a selection set of all these faces that are now hidden. And you can see them, they're right now selected, and there's this peach colored lines. And if I want to bring it back, I have it selected, press H to bring it back. See, now it's gone. If I press H to hide it, now it disappears. It disappears, and you see this now, default hide face data set. Crack it open, all of it's there to bring it back. So, alright, why did I do that? Well, unfortunately, these faces, best thing to do is to wipe them out, pressing delete. And as a matter of fact, unfortunately, these faces too need to press delete. Oh shit, what is this? Whoa, 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 what the hell? Oh crap. Whoa, what just happened? Okay, wait, this looks good. Alright, good, 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 good. Right, I selected all of that. This is the hidden faces that I just described. Press H. There we are. I don't know what else, what that weird stuff that was just happening was. It was really bizarre. But let me hide this. Pressing H. Then you grab that, press H. Okay, good. So, as you can see, the inside's been wiped out. And I had to do that because trying to clean up the inside is going to be a total nightmare. So that's why I deleted it. I'm going to show how to make a shell for this, right? Because you do need a shell to get that glass refraction and reflection combo look shader. So hopefully you're watching up to this point without much issue, hopefully. Anyway, what I'm going to do is to make the inner shell, and I'll show that, and it's not going to be too hard. There's a different method than what I had previously shown before. But before even doing that, this needs to be fixed. So shift right click, I'm in object mode, which is in green. See, everything is in green. I'm gonna go multi-cut, option box. I'm gonna set the options for the multi-cut down to 1. That way the snapping effect that it does won't be so extreme. Alright. So these guys need to be cleaned up a bit. So this is more than 4 sides. This is considered a N as in Nancy, N-gon as in polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, right? So, which is not good, and your next professor is not gonna like this. So I'm gonna just click here, and then what I could do is, well, first of all, I need to turn on symmetry, object X symmetry, and then I gotta double check something. see if it's directly dead centered. Alright, so I'm going to press here, this one, center pivot. Right, so it looks fine. If I hold X as an X-ray, right, so it's not moving, so that's good. Right, so it's dead centered. I just need to check that. Okay, I turn on Object X. Okay, here's my front. So I'm going to use the multi-cut, and as you can see, my symmetry is working. Right, I'm going to just click here, right, left click and drag and snap it. Make sure it snaps. If not, it's going to make two vertices next to each other. Then damn it. Okay, so I put that there. If I hold shift, right, if I hold shift, you notice that if I hold shift and if I hover my mouse over here, it makes a black dot, right? If I hover my mouse over here, it makes another black dot. This black dot means it's right in the middle between here and here. That's right in the middle. So I'm gonna just click it there, 50%. You probably saw that 50% sign briefly. I'm gonna undo it and I'm gonna show it again. Hold shift, and if I hold shift and I click here, you'll see briefly see a 50%. See that right there? Because I'm not letting go of the left click. I'm holding my left click so you can see that it says 50%. Now I'm gonna let go. Then I'm gonna click and snap. I click outside and I drag and I snap it, press W. That way it terminates at the 50% mark. So this way it's clean. You'll notice where if I right click, go to edge mode, I click on that, right, this edge, I press backspace, and now I have here 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And you maybe wonder, what about this? But you'll see. I'm gonna go to this one now. Right click, object mode. I'm gonna do an incremental save. From there, shift right click, multi